Welcome back to the logical reasoning, coding and decoding class, sir. Let's continue the solving numerical problems here. This is 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30 and the question mark. Look at this, sir, how to generate the logic. What you have to see? First of all, verify whether the numbers are perfect squares, perfect cubes, factorial is applicable. Okay, it is not square of the series, it is not cube of the series, because 4 is not a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, so it is not prime number series, it is not factorial series. So 4 points, 4 concepts are eliminated from the picture. I am repeating this point. As and when a question is given, think in this manner. Can I write the given numbers as a perfect square, square of any natural number, otherwise cube of a natural number, otherwise is it, what is that, factorial series? Is it factorial series? No. Is it prime number series? No. Or yes. This way you have to identify. Eliminate some of the points and only a few points left over. With them, let us do the experiment. Now let us see addition and subtraction, addition and multiplication, addition and subtraction, addition and multiplication, or squaring a number and adding a constant, cubing a number and adding a constant, squaring a number and subtracting a constant, cubing a number and subtracting a constant. This way you have to think. Let us see here. Second term is equal to first term plus 2, sir. 4 plus 2, 6. Let's go to the third one, T3. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 into 2, this is 12. So first you added a constant. Next with the same constant you multiplied. Let us see this logic will work out throughout the sequence. If it works out for throughout the sequence, then only the logic generated by us is correct. Otherwise we have to change the logic. Now T4 is equal to, sir, T3 plus 2. So 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. T5 is equal to T4 into 2. First you added a constant, then multiplied. So 14 into 2 is 28, sir. T6 is equal to T5 plus 2. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. T7 is equal to T6 into 2. 30 into 2, 60. Therefore missing figure is equal to 60. Missing figure is equal to 60. Okay. Now note down the solution. Okay, sir. Let us see the next question. Question number 2. One, 3, 3, 6, 7, 9, question mark, 12, 21. Now let us see, sir. Is it an increasing series? No. Increasing series is what? By adding a constant to the preceding term, I am getting succeeding term. Or difference of two successive terms is constant. Is it a perfect square? Is it a perfect cube? Is it prime number series? Is it factorial series? These are the 5 points you have to think first. 5-6 points, otherwise you can say. After that, then let us see. 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 3 3, 7 minus 6 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. So, it cannot be written as a square, it cannot be written as cube. When I add a constant to 1 plus 2, 3, but here it is not working out. Adding a constant is not working out. Then what will I do? Let me try, let me split up the series into two parts. Series 1, series 2, series 2. Series 1 means terms which are at odd places. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, question mark I have, then 21. Now terms which are at even places, sir. Terms which are at even places. Look at this, terms at even places. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Look at this. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. When I add a constant 3 to the preceding term, I am getting the succeeding term for series 2. Look at this, sir. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 3, 9 plus 3, 12. Otherwise 6 minus 3, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, 12 minus 9 is 3. So with the second series we don't have any problem, sir. Now let us see the first one. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Let me write this 1, 3, 7, question mark 21. Here plus 2, here it is plus 4. Plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So the difference is increasing in 2. So let us write on a trial and error method 6, 8. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, then 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21, sir. Next number is generated with this logic. Next number is generated. So let me explain the concept one more time. Now first, the given series is not a perfect square. Numbers are not square of any. This is 1 is a perfect square, 1 square, but 3 is not a perfect square. 7 is not a perfect square, 6 is not a perfect square. Then first concept, one point is ruled out from my brain. Second one, it is not cubes. So what I am doing, sir, here, I am separating the numbers. I am separating the numbers. How I am separating? Numbers which are at odd places I am writing as one series. Series 1. Terms at odd places. Terms at odd places. Terms at odd places. 1, 3, 7, question mark 21. The terms which are at odd places. This is one series. Series 2. Terms which are at even places. Terms which are at even places. Which are at even places. 3, 6, 9, 12. Now here the difference between two terms is constant, sir. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3, 12 minus 9 is 3. So, plus 3 here, plus 3 here, plus 3 here. This way 3 is added. Now let us see here. Difference of these two numbers is plus 2. That is when I add plus 2 to the first one, I am getting the second one. Again adding. 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 2, 4. Increasing and the difference is 2. So let us take 6 here and 8 here. 6 here and 8 here. And let me check up whether this logic is working or not. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, sir. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 13 plus 8 is 21. 13 plus 8 is 21. Therefore, the sequence I generated, missing figure is equal to what, sir, then? 13. Missing figure is equal to 13. This is also one way of solving the question. Resolving the given sequence into two series by taking terms which are at odd places as one series and the terms which are at even places as another. Okay? Note down the solutions. Now, let us see the next question. One by 2, comma 3 by 4, comma 5 by 8, comma 7 by 16, comma question mark. 1 by 2, comma 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16, etc. Look at this, sir. Numerator 1, 3, 5, 7. Difference of the numbers is 2. It means that sequence is in arithmetic progression. 1, 3, 5, 7. If you are a maths student, numerators in the terms which are in the numerator are in arithmetic progression. If you are a non-maths student, look at the difference between succeeding term and preceding term. 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So difference of this number and this number is also 2, sir. Look at this, 1, 3, 5, 7, question mark. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, then plus 2. So question mark is equal to 7 plus 2, 9, sir. Question mark is 7 plus 2, 9. Denominator is in geometric progression with a common ratio as 2. Denominator is in geometric progression with a common ratio 2. This is for maths students. Again I am repeating this point, sir. If you are a maths student, look at the denominator. 4 by 2 is 2, 8 by 4 is 2, 16 by 8 is 2. So it is in geometric progression. Now suppose, sir, you are a non-maths student. Look at this. 2, 4, 8, 16, question mark. 2 can be written as 2 power 1, 4 can be written as 2 square, 8 can be written as 2 cube, 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So this is question mark. So question mark is equal to 2 to the power of 5, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Power is increasing by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So next power is 5 because bases are same. Now question mark is equal to, in the numerator I'll get 9. In the denominator I'll get 2 power 5. So this is 9 divided by 32. 9 divided by 32 is the missing figure here. Okay, sir. You can think anyway. Once you know how to think, you can apply your brain. Fine. Note down the solution. Now, sir, let's see the next question. Question number 4. 1, 9, 25, 49. Question mark 121. 140. Simple question, sir. Looking at the question, immediately you will get an idea. The given numbers are squares. 1 can be written as 1 square. 9 can be written as a 3 square. 25 can be written as 5 square. 7 square, question mark. 11 square. 1357, then it is not 145. 169. Then it is 13 square. Forget about the powers, sir. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Forget about the powers for a while. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. If I take this missing figure as 9, these are in arithmetic progression, or this is an increasing series. This is an increasing series. By adding a constant 2, you are getting the next number. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So this is 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Then each term is having power 2. This number is also having power 2. This number is also having power 2. So this is 81. Missing figure is 81. Okay, sir? Now next question number 5. Question number 5. 4, 7, 12, 19, 28 question mark. Okay, sir. It is increasing series, sir. Means succeeding term is greater than preceding term. Increasing series. Let us verify. Difference of these two. This is plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. 3, 5, 7, 9. It is in arithmetic progression. So next is plus 11. 3, 4 plus 3, 7, sir. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. After reaching this point, at this stage, look at this. 3, 5, 7, 9. It is in arithmetic progression with common difference as 2. It means by adding 2 to here, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So just I am adding 2 to this number, plus 11. So question mark is equal to 28 plus 11. This is 39. 28 plus 11, 39. Now sir, next question number 6. Four comma, this is over, this is, sorry, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 25 question. This is the series. Here also numbers are increasing, so it is an increasing series. Let us generate the idea how can I get the succeeding term. Okay, for that let me find out the difference between succeeding terms and preceding terms first. With the first difference, if I don't get any idea, I'll go for second difference also. So let us go with the first difference. Plus 2 here, 11 plus 2 is 13. So this is plus 4, 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. 23 plus 2 is equal to 25. With the first difference only we have a clue. Plus 2 plus 4 simultaneously, that is alternatively you are adding plus 2 plus 4. First plus 2 is added, then plus 4, then plus 2 plus 4. Plus 2 is added here. Then what should I add here? Plus 4. What should I add here, sir? Plus 4. So question mark is equal to 25 plus 4, 29. That missing figure is 20. Okay. Okay, sir. Let's go with the question number 7. Six, 12, 21, question mark 48. Again increasing, sir. 6, 12, 12 is greater than 6, 21 is greater than 12. So verify, is it a perfect square? 6 is not a perfect square. 6 is not prime number. But 6 is a factorial 3. But 12 is not a factorial 4. Therefore it is not a perfect square, it is not a perfect cube, it is not a prime number, it is not factorial series. So 4 points are out. Then Let us see the difference. 12 minus 6, this difference is 6. 21 minus 9, this difference is 9. 3. Difference of difference is 3. So let's add 3 here on a trial and error method. This is 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. This point again I am repeating, sir. 12 minus 6 is 6. 21 minus 12 is 9. Okay. So difference of difference. 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 9. So again I am taking this difference as 3. 9 plus 3, 12. This difference as 3. It is a constant now. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So this is 21 plus 12. Question mark is equal to 21 plus 12. This is equal to 33. Let us see. 33 plus 15. Next number I am getting or not? 8, 48. With this assumption, after finding the question mark, using this difference, I generated the next term also. It means whatever may be the logic generated by me, it is correct. Okay? Note down the solution. Let us see the next question, sir. Question number 8. 2, 5, 9, question mark 20, 27. 2, 5, 9, question mark 20, 25. Now, 2 is not a perfect square, 5 is not a perfect square. But 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. But 9 is not a prime number, sir. Because for 9, 1 is a factor, 3 is the factor, 9 itself is a factor. Therefore, 9 is not a prime number. So, the series is not a perfect square. Series is not a perfect cube. Series is not prime numbers series. And series is also not factorial series. So 4 points are out from the list. So traditional approach, first time, let us go with the difference of the numbers. Let us go with the difference of the numbers. This is plus 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So let us take 9 plus 4, 13, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9 means 9 plus 5 I am taking, plus 6 I am taking, so here it is plus 7 anyway. Let us see, sir, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 13, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. Fine, sir. Let us see. 9 plus 5 is equal to question mark. For this question mark, 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. This number also generated. So what is the missing figure here, sir? 14 is the missing figure here. Now, let us go to question number 9. Let us go with question number 9. 6, 11, 21 comma 36, 56 comma question mark. 6 comma 11, 21 comma 36, 56 comma question mark. Okay sir. 6 is not a prime number because for this 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor. So it is not prime number series. Now 6 is not a perfect square, 6 is not a perfect cube. Similarly 11 is not a perfect square, 11 is not a perfect cube. So these are ruled out. So as usual on a trial and error method I am moving with the differences method. Look at this difference of these two. 11 minus 6 is plus 5. Sorry, 11 minus 6 is plus 5, 21, so plus 10. 21 minus 11 is plus 10. 36, 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. 15, 0, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, it is in arithmetic progression. For a math students only sir I am saying. 5, 10, 15, 20, it is in arithmetic progression with the common difference as 5. Okay. Now, otherwise for a non-maths student, how he has to think? Second term is obtained by adding 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. So, this difference should be 25. This difference should be 25. So question mark is equal to 56 plus 25. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 plus 2, 7, 81. So what is the missing figure here? 81 is the missing figure. Let's see the next question, sir. Question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. 10 comma 18, 28, 40, 54, 70, question mark. 54, 70, question mark. Now, first I will take up difference, then difference of difference, otherwise multiplying with a constant or multiplication is an increasing order, multiplying and adding same number, multiplication with same number and addition also same number. This way I have various methods. So I will apply one after another. Look at this sir, first when I go for difference. This is plus 8, plus 10, plus 12, 28 minus 18 is 10, 40 minus 28 is 12, 14 plus 14 plus 16. So very simple question sir, plus 18, it is plus 18. Difference of differences is in arithmetic progression or this difference is in AP. So question mark is equal to 17 plus 18, 88. The differences of these numbers are in arithmetic progression, sir, or differences too. Anyway you can take up. Okay. Let us see the question number 11. Question number 11. 120, 99, 80, 63, 48 and question mark. Now decreasing series, sir. 120 is greater than 99. Preceding term is greater than succeeding term. Preceding term is greater than succeeding term. So let us see the difference here first. 99 minus 120. 99 minus 120. T2 minus T1 is equal to 99 minus 120. This is minus 21. T3 minus T2. 80 minus 99. This is equal to minus 19, sir. T4 minus T3. 63 minus 18. 80. So minus 17. T5 minus T4. 48 minus 63. This is minus 15. So minus 21, minus 19, minus 17, minus 15. Again it is in arithmetic progression with common difference as 2. Succeeding term minus preceding term. So T6 minus T5 if I take, this should be minus 17, sir. Sorry, minus 13. Minus 21, minus 19. Difference is decreased by 2. Decreased by 2 means don't add 2. This is minus 21 minus 19, difference is 2, minus 17, or minus 19 is greater than minus 21 by 2, minus 17 is greater than minus 19 by 2, minus 15 is greater than minus 17 by 2, minus 13 is greater than minus 15 by 2. T6, question mark, minus T5, 48 is equal to minus 13, question mark is equal to 48 minus 13, 35. Question mark is equal to 35. Okay. Now, see the question number 12 now. Question number 12. 22, 24, 28, question mark, 52, 84. Whenever that missing figure is at the middle, then we have to think very carefully. Okay. Now look at this, sir. Difference of this is 2. Difference of this is 4. Difference of these two we cannot calculate, but this is 2. 32. Sir, 2 can be written as 2 power 1. It can be written as 2 square. It can be written as 2 power 5. It can be written as 2 power 5. This way if I go, this difference is 2 power 5 means this difference should be 2 power 4 and this difference should be 2 power 3. So it is 8 and it is 16. Let us see whether I am getting the succeeding term or not. 22 plus 2 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, question mark is equal to 28 plus 8, 36. Question mark is equal to, sir, 28 plus 8 is 36. Now let us see. 36 plus 16, this is 36 plus 16, 52. Next number is generated. With this logic, next number is generated, sir. Therefore, your logic is correct, means the way in which the missing figure is calculated is correct. Okay. So you will get 36 in the option. You will get a 36 in the option. Now let us say question number 13. Question number 13 here. 4832, 4 digit numbers are 5840, 6840, sorry 6848, question mark. Now look at this. 48, 58, 68. Have a look at them. 48 plus 10 is 58. 58 plus 10 is 68. So for this missing number, first two digits 78, let me take. Two more digits I have to take. Again I am repeating the logic, sir. 48, 58, 68. So thousands place number and hundreds place number are increasing. 48, 58, 68. So for the missing figure, thousands place number and hundreds place number is taken as 78. Next, here also 32, 40, 48. The difference is 8. The difference is 8. 32 plus 8 is 40, 40 plus 8 is 48, 48 plus 8, 56. I can write 56. So that missing figure is 7856. That missing figure is 7856. Okay, sir. Let us see that this is method 1. Difference method. 5840 minus 4832. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next, 6848. 6848 minus 5840. 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then, sir, question mark minus 6848 is also equal to 1008. Question mark minus 6848 is also 1008. Question mark is equal to 1008 plus 6848. 8 plus 8, 16, 4 plus 1, 5, 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 1, 7. Same number is generated this way also. Same number is generated this way also. Okay, sir. Do some good practice on these problems with the presence of mind. Remaining problems I will continue in the next class. Okay, sir. Thank you.